Welcome to the startup Beeptec Engineering. BEEPTOOLKIT, tooling platform for developers of intelligent devices, automation and robotics. A wide range of quality computer software platforms. Greatly facilitates the design and development processes, has a significant impact on the pricing of the final product of production, as well as on the consumer market. Fields such as mechanics, plastic products, tailoring, printed circuit boards manufacturing and assembly and others. The opposite situation is developing in the field of tool platforms for the development of automation, robotics and intelligent devices. Developers are forced to solve a number of routine tasks, both in programming and in adapting embedded software solutions to the minimum architectures of industrial and single-board target computers. The following indicators have a significant impact on the cost of developments in this area. A team of programmers, their level of knowledge of programming languages, algorithmists, test developers, code testers, hardware engineers and product transfer support managers from development to production. We have developed a no-coding Fluence tooling platform for computers with minimal architecture. What it means, an integrator developer can create automation processes without using programming languages by entering simple and intuitive instructions for external control of equipment. Since the completion of the development of the final version of the platform in December 2019, revenue from using the platform in development for several clients amounted to $80,000. We made an offer to several companies that were actively hiring developers at the time of contact. I am in the process of negotiations with the specialists of these companies. We demonstrated their algorithms in action, which became a convincing argument in favor of our proposal. As it turned out, such tactics and platform capabilities have a positive effect on clients at the decision-making stage in the negotiation processes. The no-code Fluence method developed by us covers three widely used categories of automation in many areas. Remote control using a special interface, RPA. Software. Implementation of predictable repetitive procedures combined into one scenario when all automation actions are clearly repeated and rigidly fixed. The entire script is executed in real time. Excluding external factors, RPA. Adaptive. The presence of a sensor part in the system, thanks to which automation works with external factors in mind. Dynamics of B2B work with clients provides for marketing campaigns to popularize the platform among manufacturers of single-board SPC specialized computers. Pre-sale installation of the platform with further paid user registration. Among such clients, engineering organizations or independent developers, scientific and educational organizations, and so on. B2C option. Our direct involvement in the development for end customers. SaaS strategy is one of the types of services thanks to the export function. In this case, end users or their clients can commission remote development of external custom graphical interfaces. The growth and demand for robotics in various industries is largely dependent on development costs and will grow steadily as they decline. Analysts predict that in the next 3 to 5 years, the clear division of automation and robots into industrial and service robots will lose all meaning in terms of categories. The same robotics system will be able to work both in production cycles and in other areas: the science, education, household sphere, the medicine, agriculture, defense industry and so on. Such robotics are already present in certain market niches. We are not the only player in the field of tool platform developers in this young field. Each of these platforms has certain advantages and disadvantages. Binding to expensive external devices of specific manufacturers, some platforms are designed for a certain level of developer experience in setting up and adapting operating systems and knowledge of programming languages. Also, many platforms require developers to study them in advance with attending courses. Some platforms are distributed free of charge and provide customers with open source code. There is a certain set of tools for developing a narrow field, for example, unmanned navigation, systems with machine learning functions, smart vision. There are also instrumental platforms for research and experimental tasks, teaching, for amateurs, students and schoolchildren. Thank you all for your attention and we are ready to answer all your questions.